like how those guys go like in the big country.
Told you it wasn't.
That's a shebang.
No shebangs on this tree.
Okay, all of a sudden they're up there.
Oh, no.
There's nothing there. It's gotta be. Yeah, I've done some people, you know how it is. For up there climbing. Although I do need your pulse off. I really need your pulse off.
Sure.
Oh, this one's good.
Mom's a smart one. She's out there on my truck watching.
What's that? I'm sorry.
So Mom's a smart one. She's out on my truck watching.
Is she? Yeah.
Good, you got two of those, remember?
What's that?
In the box, and all of a sudden there were two.
Mhm.
How cool is that?
I'm down to one though.
Yeah, we get these.
No, I gave one to my old neighbor.
Oh, yeah. I thought I was your old neighbor.
He traded me a really nice Hilti hammer drill for it.
Sure, okay. Sure. I'll put this in.
The doggone sun's a problem.
It's right there.
Yeah.
We're coming along with that house.
You gonna be a minute?
Oh.
I'm gonna move this over to the other.
Mobile. Did you have a hot dog too? That seemed like a good hot dog. Was it Nathan's? I thought it was Nathan's. Oh, I love a good food. Oh, this is good. Yeah.
Alright, Pete, never hold that rope.
Oh, the Disney machine. Talk about it. No, very good. Yeah. Another individual ball. Right, sure. And that one's in, that one's going up real quick over there. I think last time I saw it was just a foundation.
Yeah.
They're all caught on my orange.
Yeah, I got the vision of the Terry there. I carried that one there.
Hold it. Let Jeff get that off there.
We've got the parking.
Yeah.
Oh. The hang up. The hanger. There you go.
Get that thing out of that rope.
Mom be up there making me nervous.
You gonna make it one tap now?
Probably
Casey, pull that rope my way.
this one.
Yeah,
Your way. How am I pulling it your way?
pull it towards me. See, it's caught up there somewhere. Slide it towards me. There you go. There you are.
That'd be a nice burn down there.
Hey Pete,
Get it when the wind's going.
I'm gonna want that strap with the clevis.
How kind out is that?
It's bowling.
Yeah, the tiny, tiny loop.
Eagles are out.
Looks like an Alaskan Indian tribe that having sex with a dancing uncle. even gonna need this old rope anymore?
Yeah,
Compared to the
I gotta take this out.
blue heron, which is a fox heron.
And we're probably still gonna need it for when I'm dropping sections.
Eagle.
Alrighty. Cool.
The whole puppy, right thing, right down. That's got. You know, they got some serious acid. So I gotta get a new cover for my radio. The whole back of the cover is, so that's the part that hits the sun is,
They last, what, about 2 or 3 years?
well, mine's an '08, so, yeah, it all depends on where they are. So like $200 for a Yamaha, or you can get, off-brand for like $100. It's like $100 difference. But it doesn't have the other cut, you can tell in the picture that's,
Really?
like I said, I got it inside now. It's good. 800 paper, 2,000. A couple times you're doing so lift, you miss the big like here on the side. You're going to keep it up. Your neighbors are always there watching the mess up like that. Oh yeah,
That's why you say it, because I'll put my thing camcorder over there, record what my neighbors are doing and stuff, because he gets silly.
yes. Well, the big waves come in,
He
man.
dumped his wife off of it one day right out here. He lost his glasses.
Yeah.
Then he was out the next weekend with his stupid trying to find his glasses. They were like $600. I can imagine what you're doing.
And they stink like a lot, too. I know.
Oh,
I've been in
We told him to get some glasses. What do you put the deals on it?
little preservers on it. Yeah.
He didn't listen.
Or just a string.
But after he lost that pair, he did get a pair of them to put on his glasses.
I've never had an $800 sunglasses.
One day beneath the
John, you can go ahead and pull tight on that one.
love and I did lie.
I gotta put a.
You know how it is, John.
So
Yeah, yeah.
I have to make my back cut and then start in this cut, and as it starts to go, I'll drop the rope to it.
It says Harley Davidson on side of it. Yeah. They're not quite as strong as I would want.
What? Hey Jeff, jump over there with Pete on that rope. for a second. Let Jeff get that orange off it. Okay.
Remember how that tree was after it had double branches off
Hold it, Pete, right there. Hold it. I gotta pull it uphill.
Yeah, and you'd be right there too.
I'm gonna go, Pete.
These guys were a couple doors over there, man. I seen them all snagged in.
Yeah. That other one though, it's gonna cost me.
That's exactly the cover I need, man. I got the bottom. You can see your face in the stone, yeah. But I gotta get it out there. Leaned over, and I got blankets there.
Yeah.
But still,
I've been wondering after you had that prayer on the right side. I didn't realize you
haven't
were
been in
doing
the garage. Haven't been in the garage. The garden. The garden. They've been there for 5 years. For 5 years, my daughter one time she took me to the bar. And when we played the bar, and she said, "How did you tie it up?" Oh, I didn't know. Oh my God! I didn't want to make a big scene out of it because they never knew.
Okay. Okay.
These guys don't make a big scene out of it. Don't try not to eat or do it. They're actually, I'll say it. Like a Jeff gets on it, Jeff gets on it. Well, I don't have big digs, it's just the side rail here. For in order to do those, you gotta be standing down about a whole day. This is the same one on a boat. Yeah, please. Mine is gray with the black in the middle here. Look here, he just hit me in this the other day. It wasn't really bad. Yeah, okay. Yeah. See where it was. See, but they had this thing. Yeah. I have no problems here. Mine are gray. Yeah. Well, you get a line. They want $300, $400 for it.
He's having the seats not all right now. He's having a seat redone.
I am too. New seat, new cover. And all cleaned out.
Bigger.
tree's getting shorter.
Yeah, that's gonna be a two-man operation or a bump.
You don't even get to touch that one, Jeff.
Oh no.
If I even could do it.
It's crazy how much more a tree moves when the top's off it.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Oh yeah.
The way that tree was swaying, it was up there. Oh Lord. Oh, he's falling off the roof.
I remember one job that we had, the client was standing out on the back porch, and I was probably about 30 feet up into a Y, and I'm tied on each side of the Y, and I was dropping the top 30 feet out of it, and when that hit the end of the rope, it sat there bouncing back about 8 feet in each direction. The lady on the back porch was, oh no, and I just started waving to her real casually. It's okay, ma'am, this is all right.
Shut up!
Everything's fine.
Shut up!
She's like, I gotta go inside.
The ones that impress me is those ones that are super tall in Florida, them old palms.
Okay, Casey.
Those things are crazy.
Yeah, the palm trees.
They'll really sway.
Yeah.
We don't do palm trees or aspens.
Right. Missouri.
Unless you fly us to Hawaii. Hey, Jeff.
He's up at my bike.
It's like getting him on the
I
sign.
need a break.
Right here.
I do too.
I need something to drink.
All over the place. Well, he's
Can you come give me a break?
I'm gonna get me. I'm getting stuff
We'll
to
see.
drink.
You notice he rode his bike in today?
Oh my gosh, the big man.
It's my main source of transportation at the moment. My Jeep rear differential went out. And it's a bit of a project to pull the axle to replace the carrier bearings.
Sure.
Ah.
A Wrangler.
Yeah, it's a Jeep Cherokee,
Cherokee.
limited edition.
Okay.
He's got a Jeep too.
Oh, that right there.
Yeah.
I've been a Jeep guy all my life. Not a Wrangler, but the Cherokee. The Cherokee.
Neither ain't nothing.
The Wrangler. So yeah, big old. What happened to the bike? There's a big old dent in it.
So the dents on the side of the gas tank.
Yeah.
Last year, October 13th, it was Friday the 13th, I hit a deer going 70 miles an hour on Highway 54.
Out of nowhere.
Sitting there.
Yep. It folded, dented both sides of my gas tank, and then
How'd the bike go down? Your bike went down?
I didn't go down.
You didn't go